There's an old fire truck. Oh, there's that wagon ride thing. The barrel ride. The Sandhills Antique Show. Antique farm equipment show. Oh, he's fixing the mud on the road there. See, I'd like to make them some of them wagon barrel rides like that. Featured tractor. There's a John Deere B, Katie. This would be a nice hayride wagon. Here, you want to push him or I can push? Oh, back there's international pickup. The Grinch inside. Oh, there's a John Deere 318. Huh. Yeah, the Grinch in there. Yeah, I seen that. I had an old international pickup before. It was newer than this one. See, this 318 is like the one I had in Pennsylvania, but I had a bigger blade on the front. It's a very good garden tractor there. It's a Farmall M. John Deere. It's a Farmall A, looks like, with a one-arm bandit loader on the front. What? Super A. What?
Those cars back there.
Yeah, we're gonna go back there. 1954 Super A1. See if we could find one like this for sale. They don't have the same lift capacity as one of the newer ones, but it'd be a hell of a lot cheaper. Come back this way, sir. There's Rise B, New Holland. There's another Super A. Super C is pushed in. There's a little John Deere M. Farmall Cub. You want to keep walking back that way or walk around and look at the cars?
Don't matter.
It's up to you.
Do that trick.
Okay, let's walk over there then. Let's come up this way to walk. Oliver. Let's see, this 318 has a hitch on the back of it yet. Hydraulic lift up and down. Mine was busted off. Minneapolis Moline. They're pretty rare. You don't see too many of them anymore. Well, okay. A big Oliver. Arnett County EMS systems. Nice old John Deere wagon. There's a couple old wagons like that behind the barn in Vanderbilt. David Brown, never Selectomatic 880. Nice old Mustang, 1966. Another Mustang. I like it. 1952 International. That's nice. It's like a Ford F-150 Ranger, late 60s, early 70s. Ford 100 Ranger. See, I love this body style, Shawnee. Old Fords, whole bunch of them. There's an old Challenger, Katie, right there. Back there's a Mahindra compact. All the old Model A's, Model T's, Fords. That's a big bunny.
That looks like a Flemish giant.
It's a really big bunny. Say, wow! So look how big that is.
So look at the bunny. Molly. Look at the big puppy.
Look at this big truck. Agriculture, gotta be NC. Big red barn on the side of it. Ford F-550. $650. Super Duty. I thought it said 550 on it. So, oh, I'm wrong. I thought it was a little bit bigger than a 550. Some old engines. Some pigs. Bunch of old train stuff. That's cool. Yep. Okay. This stuff's all pretty cool. There's an old traffic light.
Oh my god.
Railroad spikes. There's some Harry Potter knitted stuff. Voldemort, Dumbledore, and Ron, Hagrid, Baby Yoda. Life is better on the farm. Here's a nice old Western-looking building. Woody. Never heard of it. That must be custom made. A little sickle bar motor on the side of it. NCDOT BR549.
I feel like I've seen that one crazy tractor before.
We might have. You know, Alice Chalmers. Yeah, that might have been at the Cub Fest.
Like, I feel like I've seen it.
Little Hemi. Oh. Look at this wheel horse. It's got duals on the back of it. Wheel horse 500 special. I had a 1967 wheel horse. It was similar to this one. There's a Sears Super 12.
Oh, there's a hit in this engine.
That's not a hit and miss, that's a steam engine.
Okay, there's a steam engine.
Yeah.
Well, it sounds like a hit and miss.
Now on. There's a John Deere 1943B. Hi, Wyatt. Katie, I think this is like the one that's sitting in the field there by the house.
Mm-hmm.
I'm always saying about.
I can't find the pictures for that.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
I gotta go. We gotta go. Niggas run. Yeah.
Here's another old John Deere B. There's a John Deere A. Got BNC Agriculture. There's an old wheel horse. Good Ford 120. Alice Chalmers, an old wheel horse. Simplicity, Alice Chalmers. But a little nice little wooden bench. There's another John Deere B. What? Yeah, that's a cub there in that trailer. Hello. Good. Steam engine. Emerson, Branton and Company, Rockford, Illinois, USA, Reeves, Columbus Industries. Wacky waving flaring behind fellow tube man. "100 Years of Progress," Carthage, 1912. That's pretty cool. See, that's a hit and miss engine there, Shawnee. Yeah. Nice farmall Super C. A wheel horse. Cement Farmall 51 and Colton Lloyd there from chapter 37. Why farm half when you can farm all? International. Couple cubs. So we can go back around that way then. And at the oh, look at that John Deere back there. There front. Another John Deere B. This is a cool little tractor. That thing's really cool. Put a narrow front on it. Over there's a Caterpillar. Farmall Cub, low boy. Yeah, that thing's real cool. Cub International Cadet. Farmall H. Huh. Well, you can walk back there then. Let's see. Caterpillar. Diesel power. So I don't know if this is an actual Caterpillar. I don't know if they made garden tractors or somebody just painted it up like that. See, I seen this H at the Silk Hope Old Fashioned Farmer Day show. It's a real nice back seat on it. I really like that. Back here, I think they're doing the pine tar demonstration. Tar heel. Caulking a ship repair.
Used to, they dig a big circle. Right there, exactly. About 15 feet high. Well, I think this is how they get it out.
You see that hill? Nice old buckets. And they would put that on the wood to make it watertight.
Looks like they use that dummy for experiments.
Maybe. See, this poor guy got tarred and feathered. See, they put tar on him and threw chicken feathers on him. Here's another old building. It's a corn cob husker. We'll put the ear of corn in there and spin it and gets all the kernels off the cob. An old concrete mixer. A sickle. A kettle. Here's flea market section of it. Oh, that's a loom house, not look house, like for making clothes and blankets and stuff. Country kitchen. Jerry's homemade ice cream. There's an old hit and miss engine. That's how Gillis Hill Farm used to make their ice cream. They still have their hit and miss engine there, but they don't use it anymore for ice cream. Oliver 77. Yeah. Old hit and miss engine. The old sawmill with the Super M and the Oliver 77 running it. Oh, look at that old truck up there. Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Attention in the park. Attention in the park. Let me remind
It's an
you.
REO
we have food
Speedwagon.
Up at the Welcome Center. So when you get hungry, make sure you go up and do a visit with the girls.
REO
We
Speedwagon.
have the tractor pull for kiddies at 12:15. So if your child is under 100-pound weight, please go up to the kiddie train depot and sign up. We'll have that at 12:15.
Believe, you got a beautiful boy.
Oh, steam engine. That's one of the very first cars ever made. You know the band REO Speedwagon? Named after that. There's the sawmill. There's the barrel tractor ride. There's the band plant. Farmall M, 1948. Hey, look at that, Shawnee. Say, woof. Look at this thing. 1940 log cart. Say, woo. This thing is heavy duty. There's an old wooden one. Here, Katie. You know what this is? Throw yours of corn in there. The Alice Chalmers WD there runs the wheel and it grinds up, knocks the corn off the cob, you see? And you put it into a bag. You see that? You put the ear of corn in there, Tractor runs the wheel, flywheel, comes down, knocks it, puts it in the bag. Say I had an Alice Chalmers WC a long time ago. It was a lot smaller than this one. Chalmers. There's a McCormick Deering W4 running another little mill up there. Farmall 140 pulling a little hay wagon. Some nice hay wagon. Payback machine. I don't know what this does. It grinds up straw or something. John Deere. Alice Chalmers. Farmall C. Farmall C, Farmall Super A, 1950 BN, 8N, sorry. T-bottom plow on it. There goes the New Holland fixing the road. Say the sun's coming out. So it'd be real nice if we can find an old Ford too like that, because they're around $2,000. But it has a 3-point hitch on the back. And you can put a loader on them. I wasn't talking. 1944 Farmall H, single front wheel. Running an old baler. Fordson Dexta, John Deere 212, Ford 8N over there, two-bottom plow. I'm not sure what this is. Empire Tractor Company, Philadelphia, USA, New York. Might be some kind of June bug or something. That thing going there. Jaguar. Plate Track, Cleveland Tractor Company. Alice Chalmers, another Ford. Alice Chalmers B. John Deere B. Farmall Super C. My favorite tractor. David Brown, Select Mac 880. Minneapolis Moline. Farmall Cub, John Deere. Oliver 60 row crop.